This is an excellent example of how to fight as a southpaw. So we've got the shorter of the two. Max is the southpaw on the right of the screen, Ollie on the left throwing the jab. You'll be able to see that Maximus has parried Ollie's jab with his right hand, which is the way to go. So Maximus is blocking Ollie's left hand with his right hand. There's another one there. Now you'll see also in a minute that Maximus on the right of the screen is moving the wrong direction. And I'll demonstrate with my fingers. You can see I'm asking or hoping that Maximus realizes he should be moving the other way, that way. Now he starts moving, so I give him the thumbs up. And you can see that he's moving into a side of Ollie where he's a lot safer. He should be moving that way where he's safer. And it also allows Maximus to block like he just did then and to throw his left hand like that one. Let's see how it plays out. And it happens over and over again and again. Ollie's starting to get frustrated, so he throws a lunging left jab. There it is there. Here it is. And then there's the counter. There's the left hand once he parries the right. Let's see how this plays out. So you can see the basics of having your hand outside their lead hand, parrying with your front hand. Ollie's now realised that strategically something's not going right, so he started to move his head away, which is a natural reaction if your hands can't block. So we should be able to learn a lot from this by the way you spar someone who's got the opposite side forward as you.